Welcome to the Teqa Labs demonstration video. This web application allows the laboratories to configure their analytes, input their results, and view the reports. It is a web application. The laboratories do not have to install any software. After logging in, the main page displays each EQA of the laboratory in a separate panel. The calendar displays the deadline for the results and the samples to be used. Before inputting any result, the laboratory should configure the analytes. First, he must select the analytes he intends to measure. Then he may assign the instrument and its serial number, the method and reagent. Depending on the EQA, the instrument, method, or reagent may be optional. In some cases, the EQA provider may allow the laboratory to select alternative units. The software will then automatically convert the results to the default unit. The interface provides some grouping function to facilitate the configuration process. The user may select several analytes and apply the same settings in a single operation. Once the configuration is completed, press Confirm. Only the configured analytes will appear in the data entry form. Once the configuration is saved, it remains valid until further change. In other words, the same configuration may be valid without having to modify or confirm it for several successive rounds. The lab may enter his results by pressing on Next Entry. If for some reason the lab may not provide any result, he may leave a comment instead. For each analyte, the user shall input a value, which is numerical for quantitative results, or select one or more items from a list for qualitative results. If no result can be given for a single analyte, it is still possible to leave a comment instead. Once the result is confirmed, the lab may not alter it. The laboratory may view the available reports by selecting an item in the list and press the arrow. This will generate the corresponding PDF report. Although the software proposes comprehensive listings of instruments, methods, and reagents, the lab may want to use different items. By selecting Coding Request in the menu, the user may define a new item and use it immediately. For a complete description of the features, please refer to the manual.